you've got something exciting to tell me, something that's happening here at Matsuura over the summer. Tell me and our audience.
I will do. Welcome back, Paul. It's always nice to see you, obviously, at Matsuura. So we're having an open house in July, 3rd, 4th and 5th of July. And it's the first time since pre-COVID, 2019 was our last actual open house. That was what I would call an open house, where we weren't restricted on people coming in and watching, obviously, the social distancing. So obviously with the addition of the Additive AMC next door, which is all part of our facility, where we've got a whole showcase of additive products. We've got obviously the subtractive side, so the CNC and the AM.
I mean, you go to a lot of exhibitions and you exhibit the kit that we can see here, but nothing's quite like coming here, is it? I mean, there's such a selection of machinery. I mean, tell us what's changed in that 5 years and what you've got and what people can see if they come here.
Well, as you can see behind us, we've got all the MAM series set up. We've got the MX machines. We've now behind me, we've got the Muratec, which I think we've spoken, again, we did talk about at the MACH. So turning centres, automated turning centres, which has become a big sort of growth in our business. And obviously the additive, additive now represents 25% of our turnover. It's a new business for us, within the 6 years. And, we're printing plastic, metals, we're colouring, we're cleaning, we're surface treating. So the whole workpiece flow in additive.
And I think your market has broadened massively in that 5-year period, hasn't it? With some of the machines that you've introduced, where you're now able to put them.
Oh, exactly. So when we've always focused on the multi-pallet, multi-tool, and the automation, but we've grown that, sort of elaborated on that theme with the Muratec, which is obviously automated with the gantries and the work stackers and bar feeding. So when you look at the whole portfolio of all the products we sell, from 3D printing to 5-axis multi-pallet machining, there's a lot to see. And at MACH we couldn't put everything on the stand. I think we had a nice stand, 2 nice stands actually, but there's a lot more machines that we couldn't put on the stand that we've now got on show here at Colville.
And I think if someone comes here, they can spend the whole day here, can't they?
Oh, absolutely.
It's not like being at an exhibition where you're trying to get from one stand to another. You can spend the whole day here, explore the technology. It goes beyond the machines as well, though, Dom, doesn't it? It's something that you wanted to put across about this event.
Yeah, so something that we're doing that we've never done before is that we're opening the doors to our customers to donate for charity. Dave Edwards, who's obviously one of our retired directors of the business, was with us for a very long time, spanning 3 decades with the company. Sadly had a stroke back in January. He's doing well, he's on the road to recovery, obviously with the rehab, but the Stroke Association has been very good, and they still are being very good to Dave. So we're opening up a Just Giving page. We're asking customers to donate, and obviously to donate any gifts, and whatever we raise, we'll be looking to obviously double that contribution throughout the open house.
What a brilliant message, and we'll obviously be assisting that and contributing as well, Dom. Finally, when is this event happening that people can start getting excited about?
Right, okay, so the 3rd, the 4th and the 5th of July.